Wellington railway station is the largest in New Zealand and is a handsome addition to the city's buildings. Express trains hauled by big locomotives of new design and greater power, and the numerous suburban and local trains pant along the long platforms. Here is the terminal for the fast electric multiple units which serve the suburbs to Johnsonville, while fast rail cars of modern design glide in and out on their journeys from and to Taranaki, Hawke's Bay or the Wairarapa. Truly, modern railway transport is as fascinating as it is useful. At Wellington's passenger station, the Daylight Limited will be preparing for its 400-mile run to Auckland, the northern terminal of the main trunk. I wonder how many greetings and farewells are exchanged on the railway station in the course of a year.